One of our guiding principles is transformation. What it means is, while we transform others, while we transform the organization, but at the root of it is self-transformation. How can each and every individual become better at what they do? How can they change their way of thinking? How can they learn something new? So that is how we are addressing our transformation journey, by helping and asking every individual to transform themselves.
So every day is a challenge, every day is a new day, and that's something that keeps me going. Type of work we do, the type of people that we work with, and the opportunity to serve the customers has a mutual benefit, both from a customer perspective as well as from the employee satisfaction that each one of us can get.
Coke is probably one of the most underrated organizations in the world.
What I could connect with Coke as an organization, one of them which I like the most is humility. That's the most important one which we need to focus on.
A very stable organization, very focused on innovation and transformation.
But the biggest difference that I see between the ones that I had worked for in the past and right now being with Coke is how harmonized I am as a person with what I do.
In Coke, we believe in compensating individuals corresponding to the value they are creating for the organization.
I started my journey in 2018 and I was lucky enough to be the first employee on the finance side when we started the finance transformation. One of the biggest differences that I've seen in Coke in the last 3.5 years of my experience compared to the last 25 years of experience that I had in some other organizations is its culture. Professionally, it has been very fulfilling considering where I started and where I am today, going through challenging situations, business situations, and also personally it has been very rewarding for me.
I recently joined the organization, and during my interviews I got to know more about the organization. Coke for me is an organization which is driven by market-based principles, and it works towards driving mutual benefits.
Life at Coke is truly amazing. It was a great personal transformation journey. We are almost 2,000 people and we have a state-of-art world-class facility of around 330,000 square feet office space. So it talks about the investment what Coke is doing here in India from human capital perspective, and I feel truly privileged to be part of this journey.
We are there in everywhere. So that's what Coke is to me, where we touch upon customers, we touch upon people, making their lives beneficial.
The transformation that personally I have gone through is huge, and that is something which keeps me on. I look forward for many such transformations being part of this organization.
The differentiating factor for me was one and only the culture.
This is a place if you really want your voice to be heard. We believe in creating connections for life, and that's what Molex is all about.
It was a great challenge because this is a company which is really helping me to explore what are my potentials.
Life at Molex is exciting.
Limitless opportunity, endless opportunity.
I would like to mention that Coke is a wonderful organization to be a part of.
And I'm really looking forward to many more enriching years to come.
All in, all together.